Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Margot here, back again with another video, and today is a very special day because today we are going to be decorating for fall. This year is going to be a little bit different because I am in a suite this time with 3 other people instead of just 1 other person, and we have a living space, and that obviously needed to be decorated as well. So I'm going to show you all of that and how I chose to decorate my room this year. So yeah, let's hop right into the video. So obviously this year some of the decorations needed to be donated to the living space. As you can see, I decided to give most of my decorations to the living space because it is a shared space, and my friends were really excited about decorating. So this year, instead of, normally I have the fall pillow in my room, this year I put it on the couch. We bought 2 other pillows, a gingham pillow and a really cute farmer's truck pillow. Those are really fun. You can see that I've also put the blanket that I made last year on the couch. That's been getting some really good use this year for my roommates. Yeah. I also put the spider tablecloth on there. Normally I put it on my desk, but I thought it would be a really good space to put that. Along with pumpkins. We bought a lot of mini pumpkins at Walmart. Our RA gave us decorations to put up on our door, which you will see in a minute, but we didn't want to put all of it on our door, so we took the leaves that she gave us and we put them on the table. I think that's it for the living space. For the door, we decorated it like this. We put spider webs all over the front. We also this is all from our RA, so we had, she gave us like a little border to put on. I think it looks really good. It's really festive, really fun, and all the doors in the hallway are now decorated for Halloween, which is awesome. This year, because I gave most of my decorations to the living space, I decided to do something a little bit more casual. Just for me personally, obviously you don't have to do this for fall, but this year I bought pillowcases to put on all my pillows. If you notice in the before photo, a lot of my pillows didn't have any cases on them. They were just like the regular pillows. I was kind of using it as like a makeshift headboard. So now this way at least they kind of look nice and they don't look rowdy and weird. So I bought 2 gingham cases, 2 fluffy white cases, and 1 linen case for the pink pillow that doesn't really match up with my aesthetic anymore in my room. I also flipped over my comforter to the other side so that it's at the white side with the diamonds and the gold, and then I just put my gray fluffy blanket on the end of my bed. On my desk I put a pumpkin. I put a little plant with my owl planter. Obviously, it's not Halloween without candy corn, unless you don't like candy corn. None of my roommates love candy corn, so I took the little bowl and I put some candy corn in it. We also originally had bought some candy, and I put the bowl on the table, and we just ate candy out of it. And then I just have my little, I don't know what you would call it, like a little wreath or something that I just laid out on the desk. So yeah, obviously you don't have to do any of these things for Halloween. It's totally your choice. I like Halloween. Halloween is probably my favorite holiday, so I just decided that why not go out this year? Why not just send it and do a full throttle? So hopefully next year it will be even better than this year. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see next. Also, as you can see, I'm wearing my Sand Cloud shirt. Those links are down in the description if you want to check out their fall collection from last year. They've also recently gone into doing bath towels and bathrobes. Those look really comfy. So yeah, use the link down in the description to go check those out. I hope you guys are doing good during this quarantine. I know I haven't posted in a while. I was just trying to get myself together it's been really difficult dealing with everything during quarantine, so bear with me. More videos are coming soon, more Instagram stuff coming soon. If you didn't get to participate in my previous giveaway, I'm sure there's going to be another one coming up soon, so be sure to check that out. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!